We'll guide you through how to see who viewed your TikTok videos and profile. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. If you didn't know, you can see who's been viewing your TikTok videos and profile. This can be interesting to go and see, and perhaps you want to go and then message them, or you may have a friend who you're thinking, have they seen your account or video? So we'll guide you through how you can go about checking this. To get started, you need to go to the bottom right of TikTok, and there you'll go and find the option for profile, which you can then go and tap on. So now we're on the profile page. Now it is important to note that with this feature, if you go and turn it on, others are going to be able to go and see that you go and view their videos and profile. So it is a bit of a trade-off, and it makes it fair because if you can see who's viewed yours, they can go and see who's viewed theirs. So do just go and consider that. But to go and do this, what you need to do is on the profile page is go to the top right and you'll go and see the footsteps icon. You can then go and tap on it. So here we've got profile views and viewer history. So we can go and turn it on. We can see that 7 people have viewed our profile. So others are going to be able to go and see you viewed their profile in the past 30 days. And you can go and see that it's 7 days for post date for posts. You can go and turn this off in the future as well if you wish. So to go and do this, let's go and press turn on. And it'll then go and load, and I can now go and see who's gone and viewed my profile. I can scroll back and see the list, which is interesting. I could then go and tap the accounts and go and check out the profile. If you want to do this for videos, it's very similar. Make sure you've got the profile views turned on there. What you can do is come onto one of your videos. It needs to be within 7 days of the post date, which in this case, this video is. And then what you can do is you can press views in the bottom left, and you'll go and see who's viewed it. And if they've got the setting turned on, you'll be able to go and see that they've gone and viewed it. Now, it's important to note if the person who's viewed the video has got the setting turned off and they view your profile as well, they won't be shown because they've got to have it turned on and then they can see who's viewed theirs. It's that trade-off, as I said about earlier.